Hey, what's up, you guys? So in 2025, you're running a law firm. You're probably aware that the industry is super competitive right now with marketing, with social media, with all these different tips and tricks and conversations going on with what you should or shouldn't be doing. So I've simplified it down to my top 7 favorite hacks for the rest of 2025 for you to boost your SEO, build credibility, trust, gain clients, and just have fun in general on your social media. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. Let's kick it off with hack number 1. Building credibility and trust with client testimonials and reviews. So reviews are so important in 2025, mainly because if you can think of it personally, you're going online, you're looking for a service, a business, a company, the one you're choosing has the most up-to-date, highest reviews, and personal reviews from clients, okay? And you're not going with the one with reviews from 10 years ago. So how are you going to get that? I think a really great way in 2025 is getting client testimonial videos, okay? And maybe you have clients that don't want to record themselves. So you're gonna do faceless testimonial videos. They're easy to make. You can do them in a website like Canva, and it's simple, and immediately you have content that's building trust. So if you wanna learn how to do this, click the link below in the description and we'll send you directions on how to do it in under 10 minutes. Oh, and lastly, don't forget to post this on your firm's social media or Google business profile. This will build your firm's credibility. Okay, hack number 2, using your Google business profile for maximum visibility. So you're searching online and you go to Google Maps. You search up the business. The first one that comes up in your area is likely the one you're going to trust. Is your firm coming up first when someone searches on Google? Look, if you want to make sure your Google business profile is fully optimized, means updating your business info, uploading quality photos, posting regularly, and collecting positive reviews. We're going back to reviews already. A quick tip with this would be to build local backlinks. Get on the local news, do some community service in the area, get online, and that's really going to boost your ranking online. Okay, so moving on to hack number 3. I think this one's really useful. So using Google's Q&A feature to boost your SEO. I didn't even know until recently that you could be asking your own questions on Google instead of sitting around waiting for them. I mean, clients or potential clients, they might just be nervous, they might be unaware of this feature, and they might not really know if it's the right question to ask. So you can get ahead of it, you can get ahead of competition by going in there. Just grab like your frequently asked questions, get a list of 10 of them, throw them up there and just answer them in depth because you have the time right now. And you can use keywords, you could use personal injury lawyer in Miami or divorce attorney in Chicago, okay? This frequently asked question feature on Google, it boosts your SEO, and it also just adds so much value to potential clients. It makes it so much easier for them to get these questions answered 24/7 by them just always being up on your site. Hack number 4 might be my favorite. I don't know why, but it's getting creative with social media posting. I feel like more law firms could be doing this because a lot of people are just sticking to what they know, which is expected, okay? You're only posting content about cases or sticking to things that are, just law firm focused. But how are you going to reach potential clients and get on their feed so you're top of mind for them if you're not posting anything that would show up on their algorithm? So, I mean, you could post, frequently asked questions in kind of an interesting, more informal way. What should I do after a car accident? What do I do in a custody battle? I mean, all within ethical guidelines. But I think you could take it a step further. Ask your attorneys like funny questions, or do a day in the life of an attorney. People love seeing into other people's lives, maybe even a tour of the firm. Okay, and here's a quick bonus for everyone watching this video. If you're a lawyer, you are short on time. So I know pushing these ideas are a lot. But we do offer a $99 deal that gets you a month's worth of social media. So click the link below to get more details on that. So hack number 5, using an AI chatbot on your website. So AI is kind of taking over the world right now, but it's also taking over marketing. It's super easy to add an AI chatbot to your website too, and it's 24/7 coverage, okay? It's simple, it's effective, and it's giving real-time answers while it works while you're sleeping. So, I mean, why is this not on your website already? And again, this boosts your SEO ranking and keeps your visitors on your website engaged. Number 6 is an old classic, but stay with me. So lead magnets and email marketing. Email marketing might kind of sound like a thing of the past. Like, why are we focusing on that when we have all this social media stuff to be worrying about? But there's so much that you can do. You can send them these free resources, consultations, checklists, lists to go over that go with your business. But after that, you're going to set up an automated email system that's going to work for you 24/7 again. So this is taking work off of your lap. So honestly, we're just simplifying life in 2025. The final hack I'm giving you guys today, hack number 7. So using AI to generate content ideas. Okay, now this is a slippery slope. Before I get into this, I want you to be mindful that you still want to be building the credibility and the trust and the authenticity. So don't go too crazy with AI, but it can generate captions, brainstorm ideas for you, and just generally help you out overall if you maybe aren't so much on the creative side or you're having trouble coming up with, 18 posts for the month for your firm. Your unique voice really makes it something special. So I think 80% AI, 20% of you going in, altering that caption, adding your unique touch to it. There you have it. We have hacked your law firm's social media for the rest of 2025. We've done some spring cleaning. We're using AI now. We're staying top of trend and top of mind with potential clients and even competitors in the area. Now, with business booming, you're going to be getting more reviews. Do you know how to respond to those reviews? Watch this video next if you need a little bit of help. And if you love watching videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.